Imagine a speaker the size of a coin that actually packs a punch, and a keyboard that transforms your entire workflow. This HP wireless keyboard and mouse 300 bundle claims to be the ultimate all-in-one solution for your desk, but it is the unexpected extras that really steal the show. At first glance, you get a sleek, professional keyboard and mouse set in a stunning mirror hematite finish that looks incredibly sharp on any desk. The keyboard is built for those who live for efficiency, featuring 10 dedicated hotkeys that give you one-touch access to your email, the internet, and search functions. It feels snappy and responsive, and because it uses a tiny USB nano receiver, you can say goodbye to that tangled mess of wires. The mouse is compact and tracks smoothly, making it a great companion for both office work and casual browsing. But the real conversation starter here is the micro Bluetooth speaker. It is genuinely tiny, about the size of a large coin, and weighs just over an ounce. You might think something this small would sound tinny, but it delivers surprisingly clear stereo sound that is perfect for a quick office jam session or a video call. It even has a built-in microphone for hands-free commands and a remote shutter button for taking selfies with your phone. It is wrapped in a durable aluminum case, so it feels premium rather than like a toy. To round out the package, HP included ergonomic gel pads for both your mouse and your wrists. These are not just throwaway items. They provide that much-needed support during long workdays to keep your wrists from feeling the strain. Whether you are setting up a home office or need a portable setup for travel, this bundle covers all the bases from productivity to entertainment. It is rare to find a kit that thinks about your comfort and your audio needs at the same time. If you want a clean, coordinated look with some seriously cool tech hidden in the box, this setup is a fantastic way to level up your daily grind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.